No one talks about this hack that I'm about to share with you right now, and it's a crying shame because this is probably one of the easiest ways to create a subscriber on your YouTube channel. And dare I say, it could be the hack that helps you get to 1,000 YouTube subscribers faster. Are you curious? Do you want to know what that hack is? Hey there, unicorn. I'm Karin Angelly, and I teach and train entrepreneurs how to create leads and sales on autopilot using video marketing strategies. If that sounds great to you, you're probably going to want to tap that like button, smash subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's talk about how you can start actually creating more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, first of all, let's answer the question of why you would want 1,000 subs on your channel. I am so glad you asked. To be completely honest, 1,000 subscribers is actually a really big deal inside the YouTube community. And in case you didn't know this, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours actually means that you can start to get monetized on YouTube. What does that mean? Well, it means that YouTube is going to start paying you for your content. So to be completely honest, this is a huge benchmark. When you actually hit that 1,000 subscriber level on YouTube, this is a super big deal. And that's the reason that I have 3 awesome hacks that are actually going to help you get to that 1,000 subscriber mark faster. All right, let's get to our first hack of how you can start creating 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. No one talks about this hack that I'm about to share with you right now, and it's a crying shame because this is probably one of the easiest ways to create a subscriber on your YouTube channel. And dare I say, it could be the hack that helps you get to 1,000 YouTube subscribers faster. I don't know if you knew this, but each and every one of us that has a YouTube channel has a channel URL. This is the link that if somebody's asking you for how to find you on YouTube, you can hand them this link, and it's an easy way to get to your channel. Now, the really cool hack that I'm going to share with you right now is that if you want to hand somebody a link that's actually going to automatically request them to be a subscriber on your channel, you have to do one thing. What you're going to do is you're going to take your channel URL, you're going to add a question mark, type sub_confirmation equals 1. This tells YouTube to actually ask the person that goes to your YouTube channel if they want to be a subscriber or not. This is a super cool hack that, like I said, nobody's talking about this, but this could be a really simple way for you to actually start gaining more subscribers. I don't know about you, but the first time I heard about this, I said, I'm going to start using that all the time because it's a super fabulous hack. Now, the second thing you probably want to start doing if you're looking to create 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel is really hone in and focus on your thumbnail and your titles. When people are scrolling through YouTube and they've never seen you before, your first impression on a video is going to be the thumbnail as well as your video title. So one of the best ways to grab people's attention on the feed is to actually focus on this. And if you're anything like me, you probably want to do a little research to figure out what's going to perform in front of a new audience. That's the reason that I actually have a really cool tool that you can start using. It's a great YouTube cheat that can show you how to create better titles, create better thumbnails, as well as do better keyword research on YouTube. If you want to check out that product, you're going to want to check out the link in the description. I shared it with you down there. Now, one thing that I do when I start looking to create better titles and better thumbnails is I actually go to YouTube and I look at similar people that are in my niche or people outside of my niche, to be completely honest, and I look to see what's performing well for them. What's performing well for other people is actually a huge indicator of what people want on the YouTube algorithm. If I was you, I would really hone in my skill set of creating a really solid thumbnail. I would really look to see what people are doing that's actually grabbing your attention. And if it's grabbing your attention, it's most likely grabbing other people's attention. So look at what people are doing and start to model it and make it your own. If you start doing this, you're probably going to start seeing an increase of people clicking on your videos and watching your videos. And let's be honest, we're creating content on YouTube so that people can find us and start watching our content. Now, the third hack that I want to talk about when it comes to creating more subscribers fast on your YouTube channel is something that is really simple, but it's so simple that most people don't do this on their videos. The simple act of asking people to subscribe to your channel on any piece of content is huge. I don't know if you knew this or not, but when you're on YouTube and you say, hey, subscribe to my channel, and somebody has not ever subscribed to your channel, what's going to happen is as they're watching that video, the subscribe button is going to kind of jiggle a little bit. So it's going to actually show up for people that have not subscribed to your channel. This is an extra added bonus to hopefully get more subscribers. So if I was you, I would simply start asking for what I wanted in my videos. Now, having a lot of subscribers really should not be the focus of your content on your YouTube channel. The thing that you really want to focus on is creating really big, great value for your viewers. However, what's going to happen as a result of having content that people actually want is they're going to start subscribing to your channel. And like I mentioned earlier, the more subscribers you have, the more subscribers that you have getting closer and closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark, you're probably going to be able to get monetized sooner on YouTube. And who wouldn't like a little extra paycheck coming from YouTube? So listen, my unicorn friend, if you loved this, then you're probably going to want to check out my tool that I love, that I use all the time to help myself create better thumbnails, titles, and actually start growing faster on YouTube. I've got that YouTube cheat down in the description. You're probably going to want to start using it today because it's going to help make your business journey on YouTube a whole lot easier. Plus, it'll help you do better research on YouTube, which will help you to actually start creating content that people are looking for so that they find you faster and you start creating those 1,000 subscribers faster. If that sounds interesting to you, then you're definitely going to want to check out that link in the description now. Now go build your unicorn empire.